much the home screen of the AI application. And you have a lot of AI features which you can use. You have the image to prompt, and you have the text to image. You can extract prompt from images, meaning the image to prompt section there. You have the video generator section here, meaning text to image, and as well prompt to image. You have the image in that upscaler or enhancer, improve the quality. You have text to 3D figure, you remove background, a lot of features which you can use. So I won't be able to go through all of them, but I can go through a few. So let's say, for example, you want the text to image feature. As you can see here, just enter your prompt. Let's say I'm not enter something simple cat. As you can see here, if you do have anything in mind, you can always stop on these. It will give you something to generate. And as well, based on the model that you're using, you're going to require a different amount of credits. So as you can see here, some of them do give you a better quality based on, as you can see here, the model that you're using does describe, as you can see here, and how much credits you're going to need for each model. And as well, you can select the size of the image if you want it to be squared, landscape, or this option here. So whichever one you want to use. So that's pretty much up to you. Once you have done that, you tap on the generate option here, and do make sure you have the 10 credits so you'll be able to generate the image. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the image, and I can go ahead and generate different variation or similar images to this. And I can go ahead and save the image. And it doesn't have any watermark or anything like that. So that's pretty much it for the image generation section there. Very easy to use, and you can also tap on the video or image to video generation section here. All you have to do is just pretty much upload an image and also describe your video. You can either select the model that you want to use. Only model that I've seen with the cinematic option is pretty much Clean AI. And you have some different models here as well, but these you're going to require a pro subscription to use. So do keep that in mind as well. And as you can see here, the cost of you to generate the videos is 100 credits. So you have some different options here which you can use as well. A lot of them. Do keep in mind, it does tell you how much credits you're going to need to generate or to use any one of these features. So anything that's been generated will be in the project section. As you can see here, we'll see everything that's been generated in the project section. And you can as well tap on it and go ahead and may want to redownload it, can redownload it if you need. So here you can tap on the pro subscription section here. This is where you get your subscription. And as you can see here, I'm on a free plan. Just tap on this here. As you can see, I'm on a free plan, and you have some other plans. So you do get a 3 days free trial for this here. And once you get the free 3 days free trial, then you will start paying. Anyways, each plan do explain how much credit we getting. So as you can see here, the premium plan here, which is most popular, you do get 5,000 credits to use. And as well, you can go ahead and purchase credits differently. Do keep in mind, most of you guys keep asking why once I purchase plan and the credit is finished, why can't I generate more videos or images? If you have used up all of your credits, the subscription only allows you to get access to templates and other premium stuff, but it doesn't allow you to generate videos freely. So you're going to need credits. The plan does give you credits as well. Once you do purchase plan, you do get credits, but once that credit is finished, you're going to need extra credits, even though the plan is active. So do keep that in mind. And as well, you do have the remove ads option there as well. So to get free credits with this application, you can tap on earn credits. As you can see here, you do watch a ad. As you can see here, daily limit, you can watch 5 videos per day. You get around quite 45 the amount of credits by just watching ads. So that's pretty much it for that there in the account section. Nothing much, just be able to manage your subscription and so forth. So do make sure you log in with your Google account or whichever account you have to be able to access all of these here. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. We'll see if we can help you out.